Okay, topic 2, positive and negative numbers. That's exciting. Let's get going. Question 1. Altitude above sea level is given in positive values, and below sea level is given in negative values. Which situation describes a hiker in Death Valley stopping at an altitude of 0 feet? Okay, here you have the classic Death Valley positive and negative number question. So Death Valley is a valley where the bottom of the valley is below sea level. So here you can see as the green line represents the hike. You can have a little hiker, hike down below sea level. That's fun. Okay, this question comes up a lot. Let's try to work through it. So let's say, so what's the actual question again? Which situation describes a hiker in Death Valley stopping at an altitude of 0 feet? Okay, so let's work from the bottom up. D, the hiker starts at 0 feet, then decreases his altitude by 10 feet. So start at 0, decrease your altitude by 10 feet, you end up at negative 10. That's not 0, that's not right. You're out of there. C, the hiker starts at 10 feet, then increases altitude by 10 feet. So if she starts here and then increases her altitude, she's going to go up to 20. So that's not ending up at 0, so that's not right. The hiker starts at negative 10, then decreases her altitude by 10 feet. So you start at negative 10 and you go down. Well, that's not going to end up at 0, so that's no good. And finally, A, I hope this one works out. The hiker starts at negative 10, then increases her altitude by 10 feet. Starts at negative 10, increases her altitude by 10 feet. She ends up at 0 feet. That's what we're looking for. Start at negative 10, increase your altitude by 10 feet. You end up at 0. Bingo, we're good to go.